In this video, I am going to show you how to extract business leads from Google Map. Okay, this is not just ordinary business leads. These business leads will lead you to your first sale. Okay, so this business leads is really powerful and validated business leads. Welcome to SaaS Media Studio. My name is Kodun Ketia Mensa. On this channel, we create lessons about business marketing, affiliate marketing, making passive money online, and also website development. All right, so please subscribe for future updates. Now, let's get into it. The tool I am talking about is Lead Sniper. This tool is really powerful. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to extract free leads with this particular tool. You understand? So I'll leave the link of this website in the description, so you just have to click on it and you'll be redirected to this wonderful page. All you have to do is just scroll down. All right, scroll down till you see download free version. All right, so we have add to Chrome and we have add to Edge. All right, so now I can just add this to my Chrome. All right, when I click on add to Chrome right now, you can see the installation process is being listed over here. You understand? So you do have to download it and you follow these procedures. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to do this installation. All you have to do is just click on the version 0.30. All right, so just click on that. All right, our Lead Sniper has been downloaded, so I'm just going to open the folder. All right, so I'm going to create a new folder inside this folder. All right, so that I will separate this tool from all other tools or files over here. All right, so this is the folder. I'm just going to drag it into it. All right, so I'm going to close this. So now I can just right click over here, okay, and open with WinRAR. I'll just drag it into the folder over here. All right, so now that is it. So this is the file we are looking for. So now let's go back to our Chrome browser. Just click on this dotted line over here and just come to the extensions, manage extensions. So now when you come to this extension, make sure you check the developer mode. All right, so just click on that so that the developer mode will be turned on. All right, so now let's open a folder. Let's drag this into this space over here, and you can see that the Lead Sniper Google Maps Scrapper has been installed successfully. All right, so you just have to click on this sign over here, then click on the pin to pin it over here. All right, done. Now when I click on this, you can see the Lead Sniper is loading. So you are using the trial version, so we are going to use this for free. You understand? So now this website lists a lot of industries, business industries. Okay, so I'll leave the link at the description down below, so you check the category that your business falls, or the business that you want the leads from falls within. Then you just have to copy it. You understand? So let's say you want the educational services, you can just copy, let's say business coaching. You understand? Maybe in USA, in New York, in Perth, in Paris, in Rome, or whatever. You understand? So now let me click on the Lead Sniper over here. So now we need to enter our keywords over here. You understand? So when you come to the business model over here, you copy it, then you add in the city or the state or the country that you want the lead from. Okay, I am going to copy this aluminum manufacturing, so I'm going to copy that. Open leads. So let's say aluminum manufacturing in New York. You understand? Back again, come to a different category, retail, at dealers, copy. All right, so at dealers in Perth. Okay, so these are the businesses we want to make our search on. You understand? So this is the business model, okay, or business type, and the city, country, or the state. You understand? So all I have to do is just click on start over here, and let's wait and see. Okay, it has opened Google Map. Okay, extracting. So when I click on this icon over here right now, you can see it is scrapping these emails. You understand? It is scrapping this lead, this powerful lead. All right, so it's done. Okay, with the free version, you can only extract 35 leads. Now let me show you how powerful this list is. It gives you the business name, the business descriptions, and other stuff. Okay, very important details like their emails, their phone numbers. Very powerful too. So just click on export over here, then you can download with the .csv or this, anything will do fine. Just click on that to download, and you can open with Microsoft Excel or Google Sheet. All right, so I am going to open Google Sheet. I'll leave the link of Google Sheet at the description down below. You just have to log in with your Gmail account, that's all. So click on blank spreadsheet. All right, so now click on file, click on import, come to the upload section, click on browse, or better so you can just drag. Okay, so this is my folder. All right, so this is aluminum manufacturing. So this is the list that I extracted. Okay, I'm just going to drag and just leave it over here or drop over here. Okay, wait for it to extract. All right, so now click on import. All right, so as you can see, it has generated business models, business name, address, street address, city, zip code, country, state, country, a lot. You have phone numbers, emails, websites, domains. You have their social links. Okay, when you scroll, you have their social links in Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram. So this tool is really powerful. If you want to purchase this tool so that you can extract thousands of leads, 10,000s of leads within a short period of time, how can you do that? So go back to where we downloaded it. Okay, so click on this. All right, or just go back. Okay, all right, so scroll up and you can see the price list. Okay, so you have the lifetime access with the starter, popular, lifetime access, best value, lifetime access. So people are making a lot of money on Fiverr with this service. Okay, they are generating leads, business leads, and selling them. Okay, on Fiverr and also on Upwork. Okay, so let's visit Fiverr. Okay, let's search for that. So searching for B2b Leads Generation, and you can see people are asking $10. Okay, so when I click on this $10, you can see that with just 50 leads you are going to pay $10. Just 50 leads. Meanwhile, you can extract 10,000s of leads within a short possible time, like less than 30 minutes. You can extract 10,000 leads with this powerful tool, and you can get a lot of money. All right, so when I click on this tool over here, when I click on this is $40. So with $40 you are going to get 50 leads, just 50 leads, and you are going to pay $40 for that. But this website is giving you just $149 so that you can extract unlimited leads. My brother, don't waste your time. When I come to Upwork and do the same search over there, you can see that people are making tons of money over there. All right, this guy is charging $8 per hour. So let me click on one of them. Okay, so when I scroll down, you can see restaurant owner leads. Okay, with just 2,000 leads, the person is going to pay $350 per 1,000 leads, and you are going to pay $700 per 2,000 leads. Just 2,000 leads, you are going to pay $700. Meanwhile, when you come to this site, you can with just $149 you can extract 10,000 leads. What are you waiting for? Okay, so this is how to purchase this. To just click on buy, or I'll leave the link at the description down below. Okay, this tool is really powerful. So with this starter plan, you can install it in one particular browser. You can, with a popular plan, you can install with 5 different browsers. Okay, 5 different browsers. So whilst this is extracting, this is extracting, this is also extracting. So let's say if this extract 1,000 leads per 10 minutes, this is also extracting. So 5 browsers, you get 5,000 leads within 10 minutes. You understand? And the same thing applies to this for 10 installations. Okay, if you have bought this tool, okay, and you have gotten your license key, and if you want to know how to use this tool to extract more than 10,000 leads, okay, I have a video I've created just at the description down below, and also at the first comment. Okay, just go and watch that video. It will show you how to enter your license key, and also how to extract 10,000 leads within 20 minutes. All right, so please like this video if you enjoyed it, and also subscribe for future updates if you want content like this. If you have any question or suggestion, leave it at the comment section. Let's meet next time. Goodbye.